Hey there, and happy Saturday. I guess I'm kind of dried off a little bit, but whew, I'm doing some yard work here in Florida. And gross you out here. It's hot. I am dripping with sweat. It's been a while since I've been bent over and dripping with wetness. Uh, anyway, so I have a kind of funny story to tell. I was getting ready to cut down these really tall fronds on my palm tree, and my neighbor came over and he offered to help. But he only speaks Spanish. He speaks no English. My Spanish is way too rusty. And Google Translate didn't seem to be working. So, needless to say, he cut the palms down, didn't want money, and asked me out instead. How are we going to communicate?